Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my updated skincare routine video. Today I'm excited to share with you an update on my skincare routine, specifically focusing on a game-changing product that's helped me tackle dark marks and achieve brighter, more radiant skin. Disclaimer, this video is not by any way sponsored, and this is my usual skincare routine that you guys know about and all the products that I use. The only difference is the vitamin C serum that I'm going to be talking about. As you guys know, I've been struggling with hyperpigmentation for a while now, especially on my cheeks where I am prone to breakout. But since incorporating this vitamin C serum into my routine, I've noticed a significant difference. My dark marks have started to fade and my skin tone looks more even and brighter. Product so special. First, it's packed with vitamin C, but that's not all. This serum also contains hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for locking in moisture and giving my skin a plump, hydrated look. Plus, it's super gentle and non-irritating, making it perfect for acne-prone skin like mine. For about 2 weeks and I'm blown away by the results. My skin looks smoother, brighter and more radiant than ever before. It's just easy to incorporate this into my daily routine. I just apply a few drops in the morning and evening, focusing more on the areas where I am prone to break out and have dark marks on my cheeks. Struggling with dark marks or hyperpigmentation like I am, I highly recommend giving a vitamin C serum a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you.